Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the Black & Decker citrus juicer. This is 32 ounce. If you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description. We're going to do a full unboxing and demonstration, so you guys are going to see us squeeze some lemons. So let's get started with the unboxing. If you guys could please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot to me. So we're just going to go over it quickly, show you guys everything. So this is how the setup goes. It looks like it's pretty easy to figure out. You got different modes here. Oh no, okay, so this opens up different. So if you want full pulp, you can have it open and pulp can go down in. You can have it slightly closed where just a little bit can drip in. So you can pop this out here, and here you got your base. Does this come out? Doesn't seem like. There we go. Okay, you got to twist it a little hard for that to come out. And you can see the line. If you look straight in, you can see the line in there, so you know where to put it back in. But yeah, you got to twist that pretty hard to get it to come out. Alright, welcome back guys. So one thing I do want to point out that I would have liked to see more from this was a longer cord. Cord's not that extreme long, so you kind of have to strategically place the cord near an outlet because you do not get much room. So it turns on when you press down. Alright. So we're doing lemons. And let's see, we don't need this big cap, so we just need a small one. And with the lemons, I actually like doing lemon juice and putting it in my water. And what I actually do is I go ahead and I put the lemon juice after it's squeezed in ice cube trays, just straight lemon juice. I don't use any water. And then I put the ice cubes in a water bottle or whatnot. So that's how I get my lemon juice in my water. And ice cubes can last longer. And what I do is, after, I'll make a tray of lemon juice ice cubes, and then I will take the ice cubes out and put them in a freezer sealable bag to preserve them even longer. So we got quite a few lemons here, so we should get a nice amount of lemon juice. And me, I don't mind if there's pulp in it, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, that worked actually very well. Okay guys, so we are now done. So cleanup should be pretty simple. We should just lift this up. Maybe. There we go. So you just lift this up. We're now going to go dump all the seeds out. Stay tuned. Alright, now just to clean it off, I recommend rinsing it off right away just so it's done and ready for use next time. So very simple. It seems like it's easy to clean. just like that. How much did we actually get? Now, we got a fair amount. Pure lemon juice, and it doesn't look like, it looks like maybe a couple real fine seeds got in, but that's not a big deal. So now we're going to go ahead and pour them into here. But first, let's clean up our mess. So that's about all we need. Okay, so there you go. Now, normally I have done 3 lemons and filled up a tray before, but one thing I noticed about this, it doesn't give you, even with this little flap open the whole way, you don't get that much pulp. So, you know, if you're someone who doesn't like pulp, this thing's amazing. If you're someone who loves pulp, you might have a little problem with that. Now you can manually scoop out the pulp with a spoon if you want and then put it in. That's another thing you can do, but you don't get that much pulp even with the flap the whole way open where it drips down. With that being said, this is something that I would probably only use if you're doing bulk, like all those lemons I had. This worked great for that. But if you're doing just 1 or 2 lemons or 1 orange or you know something small, not in bulk, then I would use a manual hand one because it's just going to be quicker just to do one. And I'll have a link in the video description of some of the manual ones I use. But yeah, this is great for bulk when I want to do bulk, just like you guys saw. It worked flawlessly. Cleaning up is simple. I would say clean up is probably 3-4 minutes tops, so I can't complain. It worked good and it pours great, handles great, everything is great about this. You know, it poured so nicely, it didn't drip down the side. I mean, this is bone dry right here. You know, it just did really good. I'm impressed. For the price, I'm definitely impressed. I could give it a 9 to 10 out of 10 right now based off of the price and how well it performed. Just overall, I think I could give it a 10 out of 10. Now, how long will it last? We'll see. I'll do an updated review, but for now, 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. It's hard to grow these days with millions of YouTubers out there, so if you guys could please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot to me. Personally, I just want to say thank you for everything. Have a great day, guys. If you have a product that you want me to review in the future, please leave a comment.